This could be the car for you. The 2020 Chevrolet Equinox. With less than 30,000 miles on the odometer, this vehicle provides excellent value. The advanced safety features, passenger-friendly cabin, generous cargo space, and connected technology of the Equinox help you navigate every twist and turn of the road with confidence and style. These are just some of the great options this vehicle comes with: keyless entry, electronic stability control, aluminum wheels, intermittent wipers, tire pressure monitoring system, trip computer, power windows, bucket seats, four-wheel disc brakes, power steering. Enjoy the journey in the capable and comfortable Equinox. Drive it today.